Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Let's talk about on delete. So on delete basically used for let's say here you can see we have two table. If I execute it, you can see here we have student ID, so this is the primary key. And if I go to the student next, here you can see we have also student ID, right? And here we just have show the result, student result. So we have two student ID, and these IDs are actually foreign keys, okay? That actually I'm getting from the student table ID, okay? So let's say I want to delete the student, so it should be also deleted from this table, right? So that is the reason actually we should use on delete. So how to use on delete? At first actually I'm going to delete a query. Let's say I'm going to delete from here. Let's say I want to delete from students where student underscore ID is equal to, I know the ID is 1. Let's say I want to delete it. Now let's say I want to execute this. If I execute it, here you can see the problem. It's showing the error, right? A student does not exist. Students. Okay, so this one DENTS. Okay. Now let's execute the query at first. And now you can see the problem cannot delete or update. Okay. Because of foreign key. Here you can see foreign key constant fails. Okay, because it's a foreign key we cannot actually delete it. So how to delete it? So actually we can actually set that if we want to delete any student, when the student ID will be deleted from the student table, that time this student next ID will be null. Okay, here it shouldn't be student here the student ID also need to be clear, right? So that time actually should show null. Okay, so to do this I have to remove the foreign key at first. So here you can see I have a foreign key here, FK student ID, so I have to remove it. Okay, so I will say alter table student underscore next, and here I'm going to say drop foreign key, and here I'm going to mention the foreign key, and that is FK underscore student underscore ID. Okay, so we shouldn't actually use here this parenthesis. So this is the query, and now let's execute it. So here you can see now it's dropped. Okay, now here is for the student next we actually don't have any foreign key. If I refresh here, you can see foreign key is now gone. Okay, now let's set once again foreign key. So I will say here alter table student next, and here I'm going to say add constraint, and then I have to give the name, that is FK underscore student underscore ID. Then I have to say here foreign key first parenthesis, and inside it I have to mention the column name, that is student underscore ID, and I have to give the reference that from which table actually I'm going to get the ID. So here I'm going to say, and the reference should be student from students. Okay, students table, column name student underscore ID. Okay, and now we have to set here on delete, set null. So now I want to execute this one, execute it. Here we just have to modify student ID int null. Oops, here. Okay, comma, and then add constant FK student ID. Okay, now it will actually work. So execute it, and here you can see now it's set. And now if I refresh here, you can see I have set a foreign key. Now let's say I want to delete something from the student table. Okay, this one. So if I execute it, now you can see delete from the table successfully. Now let's execute from here, and here you can see the student ID is null. Okay, so this is how actually we can use on delete. Okay, we can set on delete. So yeah, that's it, and the MySQL journey is end here. I tried my best. I hope you understand well. If there is any problem, please let me know in the comment section, or you can contact through social platform. Okay, so yeah, see you in the next project. Till then, goodbye.